guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be like a quick, not even a quick one. I'm just going to do a khaki greeny look, maybe, yeah. So yeah, I've just filmed a video, so I've not actually done my skincare yet. If you do want to see how I take my makeup off, then let me know if you want it in a YouTube video, because it'll literally be like a 3-minute video, or if you want it as an IGTV on my Instagram. If you don't follow me Instagram will be linked down below, so don't forget to go follow. I've got a makeup account and I have got a personal account, so you can just follow any which one you want. Please follow both. I'm just gonna prime my skin. I'm gonna go in with the pineapple and papaya body lotion. I do use it on my face. Oh, it's raining. I hope it's warm. Like tomorrow, it's bank holiday Monday as well, so I do hope it's warm. This brush is just a lily brush from Molly O'Brien, as you couldn't tell because I use it every day of my life. It's so good when you just want to. I've put a bit too much. With that body lotion, it's by Fruity. You get like a little, I got it for Christmas, my boyfriend got it me. It comes in like a little rainbow in like body lotion and shower gel. It's really good. It comes in all like different senses. It's so nice. Mario Badescu facial spray in scent with aloe, cucumber and green tea. I've literally drenched my face in this. It's so nice. And then go back in with the lily brush and just make sure that they're all soaked into my skin proper. If you've not got this lily brush, then I do please advise to get it. A lot of people use foundation, but no, I'm using it for, I use it for just my moisturiser. So for my brows, as always, I'm going to go in with the pears. I'm going to spray it with the Garnier Skin Active, as always. And then with a spooler, I'm just going to mix it. Make sure the salt's on my spooler. And then to carve out my brows, I'm gonna use the Molly O'Brien Jim Bob brush with the P. Louise Base in shade Zip Rima 02. Can't do this without mirror. The P. Louise, I don't know if it's me, but the P. Louise base smells quite nice. Blend out the edges. And I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette, as always. Gracie brush. And I'm going to go in with this green, like in my crease. And then I'm going to use the Nat by Molly O'Brien. It's just a blending brush. Blend the green up over my crease. So it's like a bit dark and then a bit light as well. Like that. And I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Flat. It's not really Emily brush. It's not that quite flat. By Emily O'Brien. I'm going to spray my brush so it picks up pigment well. And then I'm going to go in with this green pigment here. And then I'm going to not really picking up on camera. This might come on my face dark. I hope not. I'll just use the dark foundation. Concealer, I'm going to use Brush B with F2 Conceal and Define Revolution. I clearly see my hair there. I'll get my P brush and just blend in. You've seen how nice it blends and you get more coverage if you leave it. Top tip for the day. It's so full coverage. And it's dark. But I should have got the lighter up, but like lighter down, shade down. But it was coming up like white. Like it was weird. For the Coke, for this. This shade's Coke, by the way. This is the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. And then once that's all blended out, I'm going back in with P. And then for my bronzer, I'm going to go Matte Give Me Sun with the brush Arabella. I'm going to go back in with the James Charles palette. I'm going to go back in with a green again. And then get it as close to the lash band as possible. In with, I'm going to mix them. I'm going to mix this shade This one, top air, and this shade. For my highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Layla brush. I'm going to spray it and then wipe the excess off. I'm going to go in with the... But before I go in with my highlight, I'm going to just spray my face. I'm going to go in with the highlighter by Jane Shells. My ultimate fave. I'm going to go in with lips. I'm going to go in with the MAC lip liner in shade Spice. Brow micro pencil in shade Brunette. Make them more fluffier. And then once that's dry, I'm going to go in with the vitamin E spray. Set all this in place. Emily hair like the future. I've lost the outro of the video, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below on what you want to see on my next video. I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.